Place the olive oil in a large pot and set it over medium-high heat. Add the onions and bell pepper. Cook for 3 minutes until they soften. Add the thyme and tomatoes and cook it for 5 to 8 minutes, stirring often until the tomatoes release their juices and evaporate by half. Next, add the tomato paste. Cook for 2 minutes. Add the kosher salt, black pepper, browning, pigeon peas, coconut milk, and water, and bring to a boil. Add the rice and stir to combine. Let it come to a boil, then decrease the heat to low. Cover it with a tight-fitting lid, and cook the rice for 25 to 30 minutes until the rice is tender. Mix the rice with a spoon to redistribute the ingredients before serving. Serve and enjoy.